Do you want to learn how to layer colours and also water down your chalk mineral paints to create some really cool watery effects? Then this tutorial's for you today. Today's tutorial is going to be heavily inspired by two pieces I've previously painted that received a lot of amazing feedback, but I've never done a tutorial for them. Today I would combine some of the techniques that I used for these pieces and show you guys how I did it. So I'm just starting with a first coat of Limeade, applying with a chip brush. This is just going to be a base coat, so I want it nice and bright so that it shines through underneath the colours that I'm going to put on top of it. So it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect coverage at this point. We want just a nice thick base on there, but if there's bits of the wood peeking through, that's totally fine as well. So close up, you can actually see I've not been overly concerned with brush strokes, and it's thicker in some areas, a little bit thinner in others, and not all of the wood is completely covered as well. I'm now painting this piece in Mermaid Tail and Palmetto, and I'm using these sponges. These are the Dixie sponges, Foam and Dandy, hope I've remembered that right. And I'm using a big one for the Mermaid Tail and a little one for the Palmetto. And the idea here is now, I don't want to cover up all of the Limeade. All I want to do is just create this kind of very chipped, rustic look, you know, like a little bit weathered and worn. Okay, it's time for another check-in. I know you guys like to see the progress sometimes, so I'm going to show you where I'm at. Here we are. I actually really like it. I could probably leave it there, but I'm not going to leave it there. I'm a more is more kind of girl, as you guys, I don't know what that was. As you guys have probably realised now when it comes to my painting. I'm going to do the same thing now all over this piece. I'm going to spray the rusty nail on each side and then just follow the exact same process. It's chicken time again, but before I do that, I just want to forewarn you about a few things. Firstly, if you're going to do this, don't use an expensive mister bottle, okay? Because this will stop your bottle from working by adding the paint in. Also, if you have a piece with wood that is likely to soak up loads of water and swell, either use less water or think twice about you doing this technique. And lastly, look at this. Maybe put something down on the floor so you don't do that. There's a reason why my floor's a mess. And it's because I don't put stuff down when I should. At some point, I got paint in my hair. Nice. For the inside of these doors, I'm going to use the colourful tiles decoupage paper by Dixie, and we're just going to give them a bit of a Moroccan-y feel.